Hi everyone. In this video, we will see about Introduction to Kotlin, a modern programming language that is becoming popular for Android application development. Even if you are a complete beginner, do not worry. I will guide you through the entire process. Now let us see the topics covered in this video. First, we will see an introduction to the Kotlin programming language and then about the environmental setup. And finally, we will see how to create a first application using Kotlin. Kotlin is a statically typed modern programming language which was developed by JetBrains, the company which created IntelliJ IDEA. What is statically typed, which means the type checking happens during the compilation time. Why you must learn Kotlin? It is clear and concise, helping us to reduce the boilerplate code. And it is interoperable with Java, which allows us to use the wide Java libraries and frameworks. And it is the official programming language for Android application development. And it also reduces the null pointer exception, making it more robust and reliable. To work with Kotlin, you can use either IntelliJ or Android Studio or Eclipse with the Kotlin plugin. If you want to work with IntelliJ, just go to the official site, follow the instructions, and then download and install. Once done, create your first application. Or else, if you want to use the Android Studio, go to the official Android site and then download the latest Ladybug feature drop. Once the installation is over, click on Create New Project. Here you can select what type of activity you want to choose. Here I'm going to choose the empty views activity. Once done, you can give the application name and then select the location where you want to save. Select the programming languages Kotlin and the minimum SDK, and finally select the build configuration language as Kotlin. Wait for a few minutes until the entire process is completed. Now you can see the main activity from where the actual execution begins. We will see about the code later. Now you will see the layout folder inside the resource folder, which includes the design page or the XML page. Here we have a text view, which includes the text hello world. So here we can see both the design page as well as the XML code. In this application, we are not going to add any extra code. We are just going to check the hello world in our emulator. To do that, we have to select the device manager and click on the plus icon. Now click create virtual device. You will see all these options. Select any one and then click next. Now you will find the recommended API. So you can select 34 upside down and then click next. Now once everything is done, you can select the orientation, either portrait or landscape, and then click finish. Now your virtual device will be created. Once created, you can select the device which you created now and then click run. So now we have to wait for a few minutes. If you find any compilation error related to the minimum SDK, click on the update minimum SDK and then select do refactor. Now you will see the compilation SDK changed to 35. Now let us try to run the application again. Now you can see the emulator with the message hello world. That's all for this application. Let us see about the basics of Kotlin in the next video. Thank you.